Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about two common types of thread materials, rayon and polyester. Both could be an excellent choice for your project, depending on the outcome you want, but they both have quite different qualities and purposes. In this video, we'll talk about the finish, tactility, purpose, and other factors to consider when making your decision. WonderFil manufactures both rayon and polyester threads. In this video, we'll be looking at the two with the most similar uses: Splendor, a 40-weight rayon, and Polyfast, a 40-weight trilobal polyester. While rayon and polyester are used in many of the same techniques, they both have very different origins. Rayon is manufactured from wood pulp that is chemically dissolved and undergoes a multiple-step process resulting in the soft, lustrous rayon fibers. Polyester, on the other hand, is a synthetic material with long staple fibers that gives it the strength it is best known for. It's resistant to abrasion and many common household chemicals, including bleach, making it a reliable choice for almost any application. Rayon is fairly universal in its appearance and finish. However, polyester can come in many forms. You might come across terms such as cottonized polyester, woolly poly, all-purpose poly, or trilobal polyester. While these are all polyester threads, they vary greatly from each other in terms of where they are used and how they appear. Trilobal polyester is the most comparable to rayon in appearance and use. Both materials are usually color fast and safe to iron if it comes from a reputable manufacturer. Let's take a closer look at rayon. Rayon has a natural gloss that carries across the stitching or embroidery, whereas polyester has an artificial gloss where the light is more fractured in appearance. Comparing their tactility, rayon is actually softer to the touch in comparison to polyester. This leaves your fabric more flexible if you were to densely stitch with it. Polyester is rougher to the touch compared with rayon and leaves the fabric feeling stiffer when densely stitched. So now that you've learned the characteristics of each thread, which thread material should you choose? We don't recommend using rayon if you require the project to endure abrasion, long periods of moisture, or bleacher chemicals. This is because rayon is a material that weakens when exposed to moisture. Rayon will always make a beautiful impression wherever it's sewn and is a popular choice for this reason. It's a gorgeous choice when used for decorative purposes, such as applique or decorative quilting, and not for holding quilts together structurally, such as edge-to-edge quilting. Choose it for quilting small areas or for applique on a bed quilt, or use it in projects that won't be subjected to a lot of washing and handling, such as quilting wall-hung quilts or art quilts. Polyester can handle light bleaching. It can also handle abrasion, mildew, and most chemicals it encounters. However, as it does have a tendency to feel less soft and smooth to the touch, it can leave the fabric a little stiffer. This material also keeps its strength when exposed to moisture and is a reliable thread to hold together your projects when used for construction. This makes it ideal for edge-to-edge quilting, piecing, or other structural purposes. You can also consider it if you plan on embroidery patches on a backpack or items exposed to the elements. We hope this video helps you to understand what to consider to create quality projects that will last. If you're uncertain what type of material to use, save the time and money and do some research before you begin to sew. Let us know in the comment section below what type of video you'd like to see next time. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you like this video and hit subscribe for more great tips and tutorials. We'll see you all next time.